Hey guys, as you may know, I'm going to be unboxing a box from Ulta. And if you don't know, now you do. Let's get started. Also guys, before I start, I do want to apologize if I sound weird or anything, because I did have my wisdom teeth removed and I had to have surgery for it. So I do apologize if I sound very odd. Let's get to it. Let's see what's first in the bag. Got this Kylie palette. This is a pressed powdered palette. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It's so cute. It has like teardrop eyes. Here's what the colors look like. They are so beautiful. I really love these purples. So I do want to try these on for you guys. This one is going to be Trophy. Sorry if my swatches are a mess. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. This one is Stone. It's kind of like that matte color. Going in with Lilac now. This one's not very pigmented, I will say. It's really not that pigmented, guys. Here is Wine and Dine. Here is Turning Violet. This one is pretty pigmented as well. Amethyst. That one has like a shine to it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. So I will apologize about my camera quality. This is Purple Smoke. It's not very pigmented. It is a glitter color. It's supposed to be a glitter. Yes, that one is not very pigmented. It's this blueberry color and it is black. I don't know why it's called blueberry when it's black. Well, it's kind of like a grayish black. I guess you really have to go in and get that darken to get that blackness color in there. The swatches, even though they are pretty bad, you guys, I still have to get my swatches down, but that is pretty much of an example of what this palette is about. Okay, you guys, my thoughts on this palette right here is this pigments. Some of them are good, some of them aren't. So I'm glad I got this purple palette on sale, because I wouldn't be paying full price for this. Alright, what do we got next? We have this Kylie Jenner mini lip kit that I got on sale, because guys, I'm not going to be spending a fortune. I got this in the color Bear. That's what the lip liner looks like. Look how tiny that is. It's so tiny. Oh my god. In the shade Bear. Wow, that is amazing. It feels very satin and just soft. Doing the swatch of the liner now. Most liners I've had so many problems with in the past, and I really love this. It's beautiful. Very happy with this purchase. So glad I got this on sale. And I'm not sure if it still is on sale, but it might be on Ulta. So if you want to go get this, I think I got this for maybe less than $10. I'm sorry, I can't remember, guys, but I know it was not that expensive as the original price. God damn, that's pigmented. Christ. I have this Bake and Set by Morphe. I got this in the color Translucent. Yeah, I'm not gonna try this on for you guys. Maybe in another makeup video, sorry. I got this ColourPop concealer, pretty fresh, the color Fair. I have this Kat Von D foundation. This is a great find. I feel like because it was very expensive, it was like $40 at one time, and I got it on sale for maybe like $13. I was shocked and am excited to open this and see what it looks like. I really love the packaging, it's so cute. And I got this in the shade Medium 30. This is another thing I'll have to wait for if you want to see that in another video. Got this Ulta Beauty finishing powder because I need some so I don't look as white after I do my foundation. And this was a great find. It was very expensive at one time, and I did get this for maybe $5 or less. I think that is still on the site. Very excited for this. This is my Jeffree Star / Morphe setting spray. That's what it looks like. It's supposed to smell like strawberries. Man, they really just packaged this odd. Like, look at this tape. What? I think I finally got it, guys.
The top
just like came off, like this strawberry is supposed to be on there, and it just went with the tape. Oh my gosh. See, this is something I do not like. I actually thought that was pretty cute, like a little logo right there. It took the logo off, like the strawberry's gone. Now there's just nothing left. It's just not that pretty anymore to me. So there's that.
Ulta or whoever packaged this, please do not do that ever again, please.
Oh. Okay. Woo! That does smell like strawberries for sure. Kid Cabbage Patch strawberry scent. I remember I had that in the 90s. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I don't know if they have that stuff anymore. A kid strawberry scent. Like a crayon strawberry scent. I don't know, but it was on sale, so it was definitely worth the price. I got this for like $3. I think they still have this on Ulta. I think this is worth it. Very upset about the top breaking off, but whatever, let's just get to it. I got this Smoke and Mirrors palette. This is what the package looks like before we do swatching. This is actually very cute, and I love the way it feels. It has like that leather feel to it as well. Just like the way it looks. Paper off. This blue color right here is what really caught my eye. I can't wait to see what that looks like. The swatch. That lip kit is extremely pigmented, guys. This is Reality. Very beautiful. This is a very beautiful color. Wow. It went on very easy. It's pigmented. This is Illusion. Wow. This is crazy. These are beautiful colors. This is Virtue. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This one has a lot of sparkles in it. This is Reflection. One kind of reminds me of the last one, but not as pigmented or shimmery. Here is Honor. Wow, that is very pigmented, very sparkly. This is Haze. Kind of reminds me of the same thing, but a little bit darker with a gray tone. This is Stunner. The This one feels very chalky, but glittery at the same time. It is awesome. It feels like chalk. It is smoked. That one's not very pigmented, I will say. Here's Believe. That's beautiful. It's not pigmented, but we'll just work with it to see if we can get that color in there for you guys. Yeah, this one is not very pigmented. It's supposed to be a gold color, but it's very not coming out. And last but not least, here is Maze. I really love that one. It went on pretty smooth. Here are the swatches, they're done. Alright guys, I am officially done unboxing and unbagging everything and trying out some products on for you guys. I didn't try out every single product for you guys, but I did try my best to show you what the pigment is on my palettes, lip kit, and what my setting spray smells like. I did get some good deals, but I would definitely will not pay full money for that Kylie palette. I will say I do love the lip kit, but the eye palette was really just, the pigments on it was just a disaster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my unbagging and my products that I saved. I saved a lot of money. That's why I always go in the clearance on Ulta.com, and hope you guys do the same. And I hope this video was not too long for you guys. I still have to get these swatches off my arm. I really still love this blue color right here. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched it all the way through, thank you. I really am sorry for how long this video is. Bye guys.